Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to make ginger cookies. And you said ginger? And this is a very unusual one because it has fresh ginger, candied ginger, and powdered ginger. And the flavor will really come out when you make it. Plus it has some spices. So here we go. I have here 6 tablespoons of softened butter that I'm going to beat up right now. Now I'm adding 2/3 cups of sugar gradually. Now 1 egg. 1/4 cup of molasses. It's kind of sticky, so I have to use a spatula to clean it up. Okay, mix that up. Now I'm adding 1/2 cup of chopped up candied ginger and 1 tablespoon of finely minced fresh ginger that I peeled. This will give it a real kick. Now mix up the dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of powdered ginger, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, can smell it already, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix this all up. Oh, the smell gives you that Christmas feeling. Really nice. Okay, now I'm just going to add this to the butter ingredients. Now I'm covering this up with plastic wrap and chilling it for about an hour. See you then. It's been 1 hour and the dough is firm. So now I'm using a scoop, or you can roll the dough into balls. So I'm just doing this and roll it in a ball and then roll it in some sugar. And I have a 1/2 sheet pan that I sprayed some non-stick spray on, and I'm putting 12 cookies on each sheet. Cookies are ready to go in the oven, 350 for about 12 minutes until it's a little brown. Now to taste it, the best part. Crunchy, sugary, and the ginger just comes out at you. And it's unlike a gingerbread, it's much stronger flavor, but not overpowering. I think you will love this, and I'm gonna take it to a potluck pretty soon. As this is the holiday time, everybody loves gingerbread and this kind of ginger cookie. You smell it, but I've not tasted other cookies that have this much ginger in it. So you must try it, and oh, I can't put it down. Gotta eat more. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching. See you on the next video.